Hello student, welcome to the course of Computer Network. In this course, we will study about all the detail of the computer network, various protocols, algorithms, how the packets are sent from one source to destination. Every detail we will cover in our computer network course. So let us start with the basic about the computer network. We all know that networking is so much important in our life. Can you imagine your mobile phone without the internet connection? Oh no, we all will go mad. So, internet, networking is so much part of our life. From the time we wake up to the time we sleep, we are totally dependent on the networks. We check our mails, we check on the social media site, we post, we write, we do a video call, we stream, we watch movies, we share files. Everything we do is totally dependent on the computer network. So what is computer network? Computer network is a system. It is a system that is going to connect numerous independent computers. We are going to connect computers so that we are able to share information and resources. We are sharing our files, we are sharing all kind of documents. So what we are doing on the computer networks, we are sharing our data, okay? And you are going to share the resources. Best example of sharing the resources can be considered as, you can consider organization, okay? Suppose for example, our organization is going to have 30 computers and they are in the need of printer and scanner, okay? So will every computer have its own dedicated kind of hardware, that is printer? No. What we will do, the system will be connected via some kind of networking and they will share a single printer. Whenever a particular client is going to give a print request, it will be forwarded to that particular printer. So how that is possible? That is possible only because of the computer network. So you can see that over here in the computer network, you are going to connect various computers, okay? And all these computers will not be from the same manufacturer, will not be having the same operating system. So here we are having independent system. So independent system have been connected to share information and the resources, okay? To share information and the resources. So what are the key components of the computer networks? Do only a computer play a major role, or there are other things which is going to help it? So the key component of the computer networks are networking device, link, connection protocols, and network defense. So we'll consider first about the network device. What are the network device? Network device are the computers, mobile, and the consumer devices. Devices from where you are going to start your communication, okay? Computer, mobiles, or any devices. Then there will be the server. There can be a storage server. There can be a server that is going to perform the major kind of computation where the data storage happens. There can be the various devices which work on the back end, that is a routers which is going to route your packages, okay, based on the IP addresses. Then there will be switches. It is one kind of bridge which is going to perform all kind of error checking. And there can be a gateway. Gateway is going to connect two networks that work on the two different networking models. Okay, so that is all about networking device. Okay, so it consists of computer, mobiles, and other consumer devices, server, routers, switches, gateway, repeaters. Okay, the devices can go on. Okay, so these are the repeaters. Which every kind of this networking devices work at the separate layers, okay, that we will study various layers of OSI model, various layers of TCP model, okay, and they are going to perform its part, how it has been designed. Next is the link, how the system will be connected. The system will be connected via the wired link or via the wireless link. What is a wired link? You are going to have a wired connection. You will be having a wired connection. For example, coaxial cable. For example, phone lines like optical fibers. All these are the wired connection. There can also be a wireless connection. You all are very much aware about the wireless connection. Your mobile phone is one of the best example. Okay, so the connection is established via the radio or other electromagnetic signals. Okay, so here you do not have a guided medium, so that is a wireless connection. So a link can be wired or a wireless. Next is the communication protocol. What are the communication protocol? As we have already seen in the first part, that computer network is a interconnection of independent computers. The computers are independent. It is from different manufacturer. It is having different operating system. Everything is so different, yet they are able to communicate. The data is sent from one sender will be received by the another receiver as it is. How all this is possible? It is possible only because of the computer networks. Okay, so that is the first thing, that is a networking device, link, com- communication protocol. All this play a major role in the computer network. As we are communicating over the network defense play a major role. All kind of transaction happens on the network. We are going to chat, we are going to send personal information. So in this situation, we need to protect our network. We need to protect our network from the intruders. So we need some kind of network defense mechanism. We need to protect our nodes, we need to protect the links. So how you are going to protect the network comes under the network defense system. Okay, for example, or tools of this network defense systems are the firewall, various IPS system, the intrusion detection system, what kind of proxy server you are going to use, what kind of content filter you are going to use. Everything is been covered in the network defense. So I hope that you understood the basic thing about the computer networks. That is, what are the nodes, what are the networking device, what are the links, then what are the media, that is either wireless or wired, and the network defense. In a further lecture, we'll study a new topic related to the computer network. I hope that you understood the content, whatever I am teaching. Thank you for watching the lecture and kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.